Hello, this is Rebecca. In this episode, I do an unboxing for new optics, Constantine 1-8x24 second focal plane. It comes with a pair of Pictinium rings. We'll see it later. Let me open the box to see what you can get. A sheet of protective foam paper to avoid damage during shipment. An instruction, a 5 years warranty, and thanks letter for you. A promotional page of hot products. This is for 34mm first focal plane scopes. A clean close. A Velcro souvenir with Vector Optics logo. And maybe you can get a lucky coin to get discount. Well, let's take apart the scope ring. A 30mm Pictinium low mount ring. If you need Weaver or dovetail rings, you're able to contact with our service staff to change. Equipped with a hex key for disassembly. Finally, it's time for our pro checklist. It also has a pair of flip-up caps. First look at the overall appearance. Try its functions. Diopter composition is from 2 to -2. There's a white dot for a hint. Power ring is from 1 to 8. Very smooth. Capped turret. A scale engraved on the inside of turrets. 1 click equals to 1/10 mil. Sound very crisp. It's designed with reset zero function. This gap can help to change the position to the reset zero. It also has 11 levels red illumination. It's battery cap with silver logo. It needs 1 PCR 2032 battery. That's all. You can get more its contents in the link below. We are looking forward to your feedback and comments. See you next episode.